Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Jen with Totally Zen, and today I got my Black Friday from Diamond Art Club and I'm super excited about it. They gave me a ginormous box. Why? I don't know. You're gonna see it. Look at this thing. I mean, it's ginormous. And the thing is I only got one kit. I did get one kit. I did get some other things too. Some tips. All right, so box empty, and throw that out of the way. I got a pen too. I almost forgot about this one, but it was really, really pretty. So let's open it up and see what is going on with it. All right, so this one is a twist and pick. So as you see, I don't know if it's gonna focus on it. It is Christmassy though. Look at that. Like, look at that sparkle. And then the tip up here is just a little bitty singular tip. So it is actually the one that is pre-filled with putty. So inside here you can actually see it. There's putty in there. And then you just twist it to get your putty out. The other side, you can put another tip in there, so like this one. So I did end up getting an 8-placer. I'm getting a little better at my multi-placing, but you know, we all get there. We all get there at one point. So let's see. Oh, yep, it is twist on this side as well. So we will put that 8-placer up in here. Spinny, spin, spin. It goes in really easily. Don't have to worry about it. And then there's your pen. All right, ready to see my canvas? I only got the 3 things for Black Friday. And I ended up getting the sunflower stained glass. So as you can see, it is the sunflower. Super pretty. And this kit is by Peggy Collins, and it is 41.3 inches by 27.6 inches, or for those of you that like centimeters, it's 104.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. It is also a square canvas. And let's see, anything else? Okay, so it has 79 colors and 2 ABs, 2 iridescent diamonds, 3 fairy dust diamonds, total of 118,301 diamonds. Whoop, that's a lot, that's a lot. And I will be back in a few minutes and we will open up this kit. Yay. All right, so we are back to opening up our box. So we will get this one open. The cool thing is, if you have not bought a Diamond Art Club recently, they do now come in a sleeve that you just pull right out of the box. And when you get it though, like, everything is in here. This one is the first time I've bought one that doesn't have a box for the kit. I've seen that lately, so I'm not sure if it's a new thing that they're going to be doing. They take that box away where the kit sets into it, or if it's just something they did with the Black Friday kits to get them out quicker to everybody. But as you see, there's that. And let's see. I got a card. Now, this is my first trading card. So we've got this one right here. Look how shiny and pretty that is. On the back, they give you your little card. And this one is bronze. So this is the first one that I've ever received. Honestly, I'm not the biggest Diamond Art Club purchaser, so I just don't get that many, right? On another note, this little guy right here is what's gonna have your sticker sheet in there. It also gives you how to, so if you've never diamond painted before, there are instructions in here, and that's inside the actual flap. It's not something I need anymore, but in there you have your overall sticker sheet. That one is the very front, and basically if you journal and keep a workbook of how you diamond paint, like when you start and all that stuff, gives you all of the information on there, start date, end date, and then also the stuff at the very bottom, then the size of the kit and all that good stuff. In the middle of it, it gives you all of the stickers for your drills. So with that, you will take it and put it on your kit up if that's what you wish to do. And I'm not really gonna go over the kit too much. I'll show you what's in it. Most of all of the kits for Diamond Art Club are the same thing. You're gonna get your twist and pick pen. Let's see if this is a new one. Wow, it came like all unscrewed. Oh, it is. It's the new metal tip. They were having a lot of issues where the part of this would crack. So they put the metal tip in here now, so you'll be able to do that. And then you get your little multi-placer on the other side. If you've never used one of these, you're gonna twist it as if you're tightening it, and then the putty will come out this part. And then you can just put your cap back on if you need to. I really do like that pen. It is not the best pen for a canvas that's not very sticky. So note to self on that. You will also get a bunch of extra baggies. You will get your tray, which has a lid that slides right out. Inside the tray, you're gonna get extra putty, your pink wax if you'd rather use your pink wax, and then you get a multi-placer. I don't know the size of the multi-placers. Sorry, I'm not the biggest judgment on finding those. But anyway, your kit, the top will close right back in. You also will get a stopper for the tray, goes right in easily. And then whenever you're not using it, you can close up the top. I can have issues, and your drills aren't gonna fall out. I do really like that. And this one is actually bigger than the last one I got. I think I got this one with Ralphie. So it's a little smaller, but they still do their job. So I'm gonna put all that back in this kit. Put the stickers back in this box, move it off my lap so I don't knock it on the ground. And then, so you can put this back in this bag if you want before you actually diamond paint, or you can just put it right back in the box. So we'll see what I can do after I go through all of this. Their canvases are really nice. They're like a soft felt like canvas, and they're pretty thick. This one does have the pink lines in here, so hopefully it's only on the outside of the perforated part of it. And so far it looks to be pretty good with that. So that pink line is there for you to be able to work in sections if you want. So it's perforated, so you would just tear off and it will come right off for like this square right here. All right, so if you've never had a kit from Diamond Art Club, your diamonds will be on the inside of this canvas, and they are labeled. So if you want to be able to store your canvases separate, it does tell you where, what the canvas is on the actual package. All right, so I'm trying to figure out what is the top and bottom of this kit, and to be honest with you, I don't really remember. Okay, so it's gonna be this way, and It is a ginormous. So this will be the biggest kit that I have from Diamond Art Club. I've normally just purchased smaller ones. And then we'll go this way. I am a huge fan of sunflowers. I grow them every year outside. You're gonna have your color chart, your symbol chart over here on the left and on the right side of the canvas, so you can look at it on either way. I'm not really gonna go through the drills with you guys because I wanna be able to put it back in the box. I'm not ready for this one at all to kit up. I have a couple more that I need to do before I actually get into this one. Whenever I go to actually kit this one up, I will go over those special drills in a lot more detail and actually show them to you guys. But since I'm not kitting it up yet, I don't want to drag them all out, and then I won't be able to get them back in the box when I go to put this up. But on another note, so that is my Black Friday from Diamond Art Club. It is my first Black Friday with Diamond Art Club. So I personally will probably focus more next year for the small shops and purchasing from them. I did purchase a couple and I'm waiting for the mail to come through for those items to come in. So you should be seeing those pretty soon. On another note, I hope you stay wonderful. You are amazing. Don't forget that, and have a great day. Bye.